Daelim is a professional power transformer manufacturer. We mainly produce HV power transformer, substation transformer, pad-mounted transformer, dry transformer, and distribution transformer. Through 12 years of overseas transformer projects experience, our factory is capable of producing transformers meeting various international standards, such as ANSI, IEEE, CSA, etc. Moreover, Daelim Transformer is one of the Chinese top transformer supplier who gets UL, CUL, and CSA certification. Daelim's transformers have been sold to Canada, USA, Mexico, Ecuador, Australia, and other areas. Moreover, Daelim got qualification on selected transformer supplier list in USA markets. The reason that Daelim can get so great progresses is because we always 100% focus on transformer technical design, manufacturing, and testing. We carefully and strictly control every processes to deliver absolute safe and qualified transformer to our customers. Daelim has completed more than 600 overseas transformer projects with different end users, who are local government, contractor, construction companies, electrical trading companies, and OEM services, to big transformer manufacturers. Meanwhile, we can provide our customers local support services. Till now, we have 4 overseas service centers, which locate in Canada, USA, Australia, and Ecuador. Finally, we aim to help our partners to be more competitive in their markets, to win more potential customers. Daelim is trustworthy on our dedicated customer service, excellent delivery time, and transformer professionalism.